movie ride. Once again, my name's Matt, and I'll be taking you from this Hollywood soundstage right to some of the greatest movies of all time. All on tour. And just between you and me, this is an ordinary tour, so you won't be seeing the movies in an ordinary way. It'll be as if you're in the movies. I don't know about you folks, but I just love the great Hollywood musicals from the 1930s. This scene is from one of my favorites, the Bobsley Berkeley classic, Footlight Parade, starring James Cagney, Ruby Keeler, and Dick Howe. In 1952, Gene Kelly was Singing in the Rain with Debbie Reynolds and Donald O'Connor. Did you know that Gene Kelly co-directed this movie? He also sang this number with a 103-degree temperature.
Look.
Anyone tell me what movie this is? That's right, it's Walt Disney's Academy Award-winning film from 1964, Mary Poppins, starring Julie Andrews and Dick Van Dyke. Hold on to those wallets and purses, folks. This doesn't look like a very good neighborhood. In fact, it looks like the underworld. The scene is such classic gangster films as The Public Enemy, starring one of my favorite tough guys, James Cagney. In one famous scene, Cagney shoves a great roommate, Clark's face. She can have a look at breakfast in the same way that these guys can turn anything into a weapon.
Oh, you dirty double-crossing. Open up and you hear me?
Some regular people watch. You know this ride too many times.
Very nice.
Look. Don't get afraid.
Shut up, you want to blow our cover?
Sorry for the delay, folks, but I don't want to run a red light, even if it is just a movie.
Hey,
You talking to me? You talking to me?
Cupcake, I'm talking to the dame in the funny-looking outfit over there. Yeah, I'm talking to you, come here.
I'm not supposed to leave my vehicle.
I said get over here.
Okay, Muggsy, whatever you say.
Hey, how do you know my name anyways?
I've seen this movie before.
Oh, Pete's on. Your fancy car's my ticket out of here, so read it.
Making a big mistake here,
I
Muggsy.
said scram out of here, you gonna get hoiked?
I can't just walk out in the middle of a movie.
Oh, beat it, you Must be the west side of town.
And now, the Old West, and two of Hollywood's legendary stars, Clint Eastwood and John Wayne.
Plus, I was partially
horse dick.
fixing to get myself shot. Hightailing out of here. Go right ahead if that's what you're mind to do. A long time ago, I made me a rule. let people do what they want.
Sleepy little boy, ain't it?
That's some mighty tough territory you're getting into, children. I think about turning back. That is one of my opinion.
Now that we're in the clear, it's a perfect time for me to collect up all your valuables. We'll start with the jewelry.
There he is! It's the bank robber! Don't let him get away! Drop your gun!
Hey, I don't even work this neighborhood. Look at it this way. Can't get any voice. Okay. It's Royce. I don't know about you guys, but this is kind of creepy. Where are we?
This is Alien. You are with Sigourney Weaver aboard the spaceship Upscaled. Something has gone wrong. One by one, the crew has vanished. And somewhere in the ship, a terrifying creature waits to slay them.
Look, pal, I ain't no victim.
Warning, remain in your vehicle. The area you are entering is extremely dangerous. Proceed with caution.
That's it. That was cool.
Here in Raiders of the Lost Ark, amid a thousand deadly snakes, Indiana Jones utters a great treasure. Will Harrison Ford escape with his discovery? And what will be your fate?
It's fake.
Why did it have to be snakes?
The dust of 3,000 years lies undisturbed in this ancient burial chamber. On the chest, the great stone guard, a priceless jewel.
Wow, get a load of that junk, guys. Time for me to get back to work. Don't nobody move while I go get the goods. I don't think they know there's some convention bodies around here.
What? The jewel is guarded by a curse, and those who dare defy that curse must pay with their lives.
Doug, what's he doing, Minnie?
Unbeliever, disturb the treasure of the gods, and you shall all pay with your lives.
I told you I was just going for some popcorn. That goes to show you that anything can happen in the movies. Now let's get on with the show. I see dead people. Horror movies, my kind of favorite genre. Some of the best horror films were produced back in the 1930s and 40s. The monsters, mutants, and maniacs, they're snotty and sirens. That you tune on this today. Scary Movie was a solid film made in 1912. We are now entering the jungle of one of the most beloved characters of all time. Oh, it's not George of the Jungle. Actually, it's Tarzan. and the one and only Cheetahs herself.
Well, play, Nick.
Always have passed. We didn't have it. We lost it. We came to Casablanca. Got it back last night.
Beautiful friendship. That's last line of the movie.
I got a job to do too. Well, I'm going, you can't follow. I've got to do, you can't do anything. Look, I know better being noble. It doesn't take much to see that the problems of three little people don't amount to a hill of beans in this crazy world. Someday you'll understand that.
It's by our pool, remember?
Here's one of my favorite movie stars, Mickey Mouse in one of his greatest roles, The Sorcerer's Apprentice in Fantasia. When the film came out in 1940, Walt Disney promised to add new musical sequences in the future. His nephew Roy kept that promise 60 years later with the release of Fantasia 2000. Toto, I feel we're not in Kansas anymore. How often do you get to say that? I'd say we're definitely somewhere over the rainbow in one of the most beloved movies of all time. Oh, it's in the box.
Killed my sister. Who killed the Witch of the East? Was it you?
No, it was not Sid. I didn't kill anybody.
Well, my pretty, I can cause accidents too.
Oh, rubbish. You won't know how we're here. Be gone before somebody drops his house at me too.
Very well. I'll bide my time. But just try to stay out of my way. Just try. I'll get you, my pretty, and your little dog too.
Get out of here. For folks' sake, which way do we go?
Follow the open road.
Follow the open road. Now I think of that. See you all, folks.
It's on Small World.
You're off to see the wizard, the wonderful Wizard of Oz. You'll find he is a wizard of ways, if ever a ways there was. If ever a ways there was, the Wizard of Oz is what he was. Because the wonderful ways he does. You're off to see the wizard, the wonderful Wizard of Oz.
He's doing well.
Wait a minute. You ain't heard nothing yet. Shut up, will you? Is there a problem, officer?
I'm gonna make him an offer he can't refuse.
anymore. Hello, gorgeous.
I want to be known. We didn't need dialogue. We had faces. Fasten your seatbelt. It's going to be a bumpy night.